Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have curry chicken foot with some food, aka dumpling, banana, yam, yuca, all kind of stuff going on here.
Here, aka avocado. You know?
Aka avocado.
You know
so
this already?
We are going to dig in. Oh honey, what are you drinking, you said?
Oh. Homemade, natural Jamaican juice, sugar and water we call
Sugar
it.
and water.
Yeah? So all our Jamaican know what I say, when I say sugar and water, they know what time it is, alright? Alright. So don't ask now how you make it because I know you're gonna ask. Alright? Alright now. But that's our Jamaican drink, you know?
It's very good.
Lime. Oh, I said, see, I talk too much sometimes. But yeah, we back in the building, family.
In the building. We missed y'all.
Family.
Okay?
We still tired.
We still, yeah. Long vacation.
But it's all good, family. Long vacation mixed with getting the daughter ready for school, shopping. But the best thing, she's going to private. So we ain't wasting a lot of money. Uniform for her. But other than that, family, we're back.
That
we
is
appreciate y'all. First lady.
What you guys been up to?
Yeah, ask him that, cause eat a little first, cause yo, you know I forgot how to eat.
Yeah.
Yeah, family.
On your camera.
Just a little while ago, I forgot how to eat, you know? Oh my god. Yo! That avocado, where you got the avocado from?
Bravo.
Damn,
Bravo
that
Pierre,
avocado
bussin'.
be hitting, son. We're gonna eat a little bit first, family, and then we tell you about more about our vacation and what's new in the new chapter of our life, and you know?
Yeah.
So we'll just eat a little bit first. So first they told me we got curry chicken foot. Let me tell you.
Man, I do have a video on how to make this.
Yes. Look, yes, it's the feet of the chicken. Yes, that's why it's called chicken feet, okay? See? Well soft. You made some good dumplings, nothing good. I ain't put that much caramel in it. It feels nice. You see, easy cut.
Easy to cut.
Wow. Let's eat a little bit first. Thank you for tuning into the vlog. You know what I'm saying?
Yes, we do appreciate that. I feel like
Appreciate everybody saying.
we haven't spoken to them in years.
Yeah, that's how it is sometimes, you know, but everybody know.
Yeah.
Content creator, their life be on YouTube. You know what I'm saying? But we here, family, you know what I'm saying?
It's like, you know that saying? I need a vacation after my vacation?
Yes.
It's true. Trust me.
Yep.
Because when you're on vacation, you don't want to sleep. And as soon as the morning come, you're up, ready to do stuff, you know?
But we still here, you know? Loving my new haircut. Love it. I'm loving it like McDonald's.
So what made you cut it though? Because I know that they're wondering that too.
Oh yeah, and I guess for the people that didn't watch the vlog, the live what we did. Oh yeah, I tell him right now. Let's start off real quick.
Yeah. I mean, you can eat if he said.
I mean, I'm not still happy, cause you know you can eat slow. Yes, first that he still eat slow. For everybody. If you're new and you just saw this video, you guys seen curry chicken foot? This is Shanice and this is Richie. Alright? Jamaican mukbangers, okay? Alright.
Bang.
Yeah, man, cause some of them don't know. You know they will see the video.
Yeah.
Alright. Ask me the question again now. I'm ready. Give me an interview.
So,
Yes.
Mr.
Yes.
Richard,
Yes.
aka My Love,
Yes.
aka Pastor Richie,
Yes. In the building. AKA Waver.
Chatty Richie, Shitty Richie.
No, yo, don't stop saying that to your boys. It's your Richie thing.
What made you cut your hair?
Okay. So I can take the mic now? Okay. First lady. We've been together forever now. Like I said here. The family members know that already. So as y'all know, talking to the mic, I be seeing them doing this on YouTube. What they be talking to? So, my daughter is 14, right? As y'all know. I said it before. She's 14 and So I had my dreads for 14 years. I didn't have it for no religion. Because people thinking I had it for like a religion or nothing like that. And because I don't eat pork and stuff like that. Because I'm a 7-day Adventist. Whole family is 7-day Adventist, you know, but I do eat meat. I just don't eat pork. So it's not because in Jamaica they said once you have dread you are Rasta. No, I wasn't a Rasta. I was just doing it for just because I liked it. You know what I'm saying? It was just like a style. You know what I'm saying? Sometimes they say fashion Ras. You know what I'm saying? So that's why I had it for like the style. Not more like fashion, but I just liked it because I always wanted it. So my daughter 14 now, and I said to her when she was getting older, I said, listen, I was gonna wait till you finish high school before I cut it, but I'm gonna switch it to when you start high school. So it was due time, you know what I'm saying? I was getting like tired if I wanted a new look, you know what I'm saying? Because I got new chapters in my life, you know what I'm saying?
Ooh.
It's gonna come.
So y'all move, my youth?
Listen, I watched 7 minutes from 40 seconds in the video. I got a word of wisdom at the end of the day. I want you to listen to it because I want you to remember that word of wisdom. And I remember I said this word of wisdom to y'all. Okay, I want you to remember it, okay? And that's it. So I told her, I said, yo, what the hell you doing picking over to my side? Yo, you have all your food over there.
Hold up. Stop.
So what you just did, your peer is here. So leave my big peer over here and stuff like that.
No.
The both of
I'm going to eat whatever I want to eat.
All right, do your thing.
Watch yourself, you know?
What? Watch out. Hey, all right now. All right, family. So back to the story now. So I said, okay, this is that. Let me tell the story. So, because I'm giving them a story, right? How did juice taste? Good?
Amazing.
All right. So,
Very good.
we was, oh yeah. I told my daughter gonna cut off when she start high school now, because she's about to start high school. So, one day, I got up. I told First Lady, I'm just gonna chop it off. I'm ready to go chop it off. You know what I'm saying? I'm ready to. So, my daughter had a volleyball practice. No, not volleyball practice, cheerleading practice. I told her, Carl, listen. I said, listen, I might cut off my hair today. She said, really? She said, it's gonna fit you. It's gonna look nice. That's one thing. You know what I'm saying? They know. You know, women always know. My First Lady know. My First Lady want to cut off my hair. So, when do I cut off my hair, First Lady? So listen now. So I told my daughter, I'm gonna cut it off. So anyway, for me, my appointment was 10 o'clock to go to the barber shop. Oh my God. And we chopped her for about what? 8 something? 9?
Yeah.
So family, I had an hour to spare. My gosh, I never felt so scared in my life. Family, yo, I'm fidgeting and doing everything like, damn. Looking at my phone, should I call him back and text him and say, I'm not coming to do cut off my hair, whatever. So I'm there running around the house. First, yo, what are you doing? So I'm like running. I'm like, damn, I'm really gonna cut my hair. So went to the barber shop.
He was very nervous.
Yes, okay. You have something to say? No? Okay.
Just that he was very nervous.
So, Fred, suck it up. Let's go. We're going to the barber shop. Went to the barber shop. Sat down in the barber shop. I'm like this in the chair waiting for my turn. I'm like, oh my God, I'm really gonna cut my hair. So you know, went on it. Did my thing. Cut it off. I felt like my hair was been gone from a long time ago. And I kept it. You know, I kept my hair too. You know what I'm saying?
We're selling it.
I kept it. People ask me if I'm gonna sell my hair. People really buy dreads? I sell my hair. So
we're selling it.
So listen now, family. So after I did that now, we finally went back up to go pick up my daughter from the thing in the car. So we pulled up now. I'm there in a seat like this. So you want to talk? Okay. So first day there, I'm there recording. She came in the car talking. Blah, 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 blah. She said, "Oh my God, Daddy, you cut your hair." She and her friend was laughing at me. They're like, "Who the hell is this in the car?" They were laughing at me and then they tell me look good, and basically that was it. So from then now I'm just keeping it low, you know, and just keeping it pushing. But I like it though. My head feels much lighter.
It fits you.
Yeah, I'm good. And yeah, I don't have to. Sometimes I'm going like this, like thinking I still have the hair in my head, but Now, y'all saw me with dread, and y'all saw me without dread, and y'all saw me with beard. And you never seen me without beard, but I'm not cutting my beard.
No, you're not.
I trim it down. But other than that,
that's where I draw the line.
Other than that, that's it. So that was my story. So what do you guys say now for here?
I knew that it would fit him because I've been with him for so long. I've seen him with braids, with long hair, short hair. So, but it's because
Ooh, that juice is good.
with the beard. But I knew
Sell
that
off.
my baby.
Sell off, my you.
Oh look, good.
Yo, chicken foot, buddy.
So
Wow.
it's good.
I like it a lot.
But Richie used to say when he's sleeping,
Yep. No cap.
his dread used to choke him.
Choke me, family.
It was so long. It was past his butt.
Look, it's down to my butt, for real, right on my butt.
And he said it used to choke him at nighttime.
Choke me, family. I used to wake up, I used to have headache, because sometimes I put it goes right here, I'm like, my neck be crick. I'm like, oh God, I gotta get rid of it. Now, I can sleep good.
You sleep all over the place. Don't have to worry.
But yeah, as I said, and I also did it, you know? Hey, you want to talk about our trip?
Our trip was lovely. No cap. Okay.
It was beautiful. Yo, Atlanta is a beautiful place. No cap. For real.
I don't know why. I put ice in this cup,
No.
in this glass. You know I don't like ice in my food.
You want to give me some of the ice?
I mean, in my drink.
Want to give me some of the ice?
Yeah, when I finish it. Because I can't get to the juice. So our trip to ATL was really nice.
Yep. First time too.
First time. Nana's, amazing. Stony River, amazing.
Oh, the Stony, I'm about to say Stony River. I forgot the studio. What the fuck I about the Stony River? Oh yeah,
state.
yeah, the state place. Oh my God,
Yeah.
that place was busting. Yeah.
We went to the Breakfast Club, breakfast place. That was okay. If I had to pick between that and Nana's all day. Okay? All day.
Nana was busting.
Bussin'. We had like a little, we ate like at a little fish spot. That place was good too. It was called JJ's.
It's like what we got in Florida, like hooks.
Yeah, that was good.
That place was popping.
The only thing that we ate that we did not like is Jamaican food.
Oh yeah.
We had Jamaican food. It was not good.
I don't remember the name, but it wasn't good.
It was not good. It was not good at all. What was the name? I don't remember the name either. I'm not gonna lie to you.
I don't remember the name because it wasn't good. It was good to remember it, right, family? We ain't gonna lie about that. And we were downtown.
Oh, I remember it.
What?
Mangoes.
Okay. Okay, that's what his name.
Yeah, I'm talking to talk. I didn't remember it at first, but I remember it now. The food was not good, and you're probably saying, why would you go eat Jamaican food? And you guys, you know, you cook Jamaican food all the time. Sometimes you just want to try something and see how somebody else's food tastes. You know, we know our food tastes good, but it was not good. The curry chicken, the curry goat was watery, no flavor, and that was recommended. Okay, so they need to.
But the people that recommend that, what you saw, come on now.
Was not Jamaican.
Yeah, and even if they wasn't even Jamaican, they don't know. Yeah, you're right. They don't know how the food supposed to taste.
Yeah.
So
but
we went off
that's
a
not
recommendation.
true.
We went off a recommendation, family. That's why we went there.
Yeah, but that's not true because
We went up there a recommendation because we wanted to see the way the person was talking about it, if it was really true.
it's true. Yeah. But I don't feel like you have to be Jamaican to know
You don't.
good food. That's true. You're right. You don't. So the person who recommended it was not Jamaican, and we don't go by if you're not Jamaican, we're not gonna go eat the food. That doesn't make any sense.
One thing we support.
But I'm telling you right now, that food is not good. And because I've gone to a southern restaurant, a soul food restaurant, in the Bronx, and their jerk chicken was the best jerk chicken I've ever had, and they're not even Jamaican. It was better than Jamaican people them. So.
Yep. You know what I'm saying?
We enjoyed ourselves at Stone Mountain. You guys saw the vlog on that, on the live.
Family, listen, that ain't no joke. Me and First Lady walked up the whole thing, right? Listen now. We walked up the whole thing. And in the vlog, First Lady was saying she wanted to take the high-end horse come back down. The little thing come back down where you saw us on.
The sky scanner.
Yeah. And we're like, I said, I'm not going on that. Family, I had no choice because listen, it started raining. We couldn't even walk back down. We was falling going up. Imagine going down.
And it's raining.
And it was raining. We had to wait 2 hours and change up there top of the mountain before they start sending back down the carts and to go down. Listen, that wasn't, but it was a good look.
It was very nice.
I like that. It was good. Everything was good. The Airbnb was nice.
Airbnb was very nice.
The air was nice. It was downtown Atlanta, right? Everything. We thought it was in New York, the way we have seen all them tall buildings. No? But we had a good, it was very good. I would go back there again.
Yeah. You want to go back and rent like a big house and bring the family?
Yeah. Yeah.
Because I want to go to the Georgia Aquarium.
Yeah. We were right next to the Coca-Cola place too.
Yeah, we wasn't too far from the Mercedes-Benz Stadium. Tell me, I can't drink this, please.
You take a Dyce?
Yes.
Because my juice water down.
Yeah.
You want more in there?
Yes, please. I cannot drink
What there?
with ice. Drop off.
Someone stop.
Sugar and water, nah? That's good, baby.
Come on, family. You want? Come on, man. You want everything. It's really good. I'm telling you. But yeah.
If I had a straw, I would drink it. But
we was going to Jamaica, but we first said she didn't want to go to Jamaica.
Not right now. Too much. You got to take a COVID test to go, COVID test to come back. And I don't want anybody sticking anything on my nose.
But
I've heard horror stories.
Wow. This feel good. This was good. This was good, family. This was good. I don't know. I just had to tell you a little story, you know what I mean? Why we was missing in action, but now we're back.
We're back.
Take a next piece of chicken foot.
I know
you may not like chicken
know.
foot, but I still give you a piece. Yeah. Take a big bite though. Yeah. You see I look good? You see the feet? Yeah.
I love it.
Wow. It's been a while.
So, anything new happened with you guys?
Yeah. We already told all our damn business already. That's all you want is our business. What happened with y'all? What's new with y'all? Let us know, man. Oh, I appreciate everybody for, you know what I'm saying? You already know what it is. The link in the description. Yeah.
Yeah, full now.
You full? You see? I talk so much and I still don't hear.
Listen, my husband's haircut.
Right. Oh, they see my part?
I used to be. I'm very affectionate. And I can't keep my hands off my husband. Okay? I'll be honest. We're in the store, wherever we are, I'm always touching him. Okay? But now,
I got that little.
woo!
I got that little light skin cut.
When you say stuff sometimes.
I got a light skin haircut now, family.
Oh my gosh.
I like it.
I love it.
I tell him. Well, when I say I'm gonna go do something, I'm gonna do it, right?
Yeah.
All right. You think they were listening to me earlier in the video? They didn't hear what I said. What the word of wisdom I'm gonna give them.
Listen.
But we are here. We appreciate every single one of y'all for rocking with us. Don't forget, we're gonna do that live video when first they cook something in the kitchen. You know what I'm saying? We almost there. Almost, just almost, okay? Family, you tell them what we was in Georgia, IKEA, by IKEA? As we just left, they posted the thing. Oh my God, tell them real quick.
We was, because remember, I'm still looking for a couple of items to finish the kitchen. So I said, well, while I'm in Georgia, I'm going to see if they have it in Georgia. They did not. They did say that they was going to get it the day after we leave. So I said, let me put my name on the notification just in case they get it in earlier.
Yeah.
And we left Georgia like 10 in the morning. By 11:15, they inbox me. Text me, actually. Oh, yeah, it's in stock. You can come on down. It's a price. No. We're already an hour and a half.
Almost 2 hours. Family, I wasn't turning back. May I do the road, man.
So, but thank God I ended up getting it.
Yep. Almost there.
And that's another story, but
we got a lot of story for y'all too. So the story gonna come. We're gonna have a storython. Yeah.
You love tongue.
Storython. You heard it first.
Storython.
Yeah. Yes. We're gonna have one. First today we got a lot of stories, so we're gonna. Yeah, I got some story coming. All right. So if you reach this far. Hashtag storython. All right? All right now, because we got them for y'all now. We appreciate y'all. You say you done.
What's your word of wisdom?
Oh, it's been so long I forgot all about that crap. Oh, my God. I'm so sorry, family.
Yeah, rush them, my youth.
Family. What?
No, like, are you rushing them?
I forgot. Family, before you give up, think how far you will be next year if you don't, right?
Ooh.
Never quit. I'm going to say that again. Listen now. I said this. I'm going to say it for a reason. So if you listen to this and you listen to the word of wisdom, remember I told you this. All right. Before you give up, think how far you will be next year if you don't. Never quit. Okay? So, if you had dreams of doing this, becoming this person, doing whatever, and you put it aside, you didn't quit. You didn't quit yet, you know? You're just gonna finish it in a better way, and you just wait for the right time, all right? So just remember what I told you that, all right?
Yeah.
All right, first they said something now. I am Richie, a.k.a. Wafer in the building, a.k.a. First Lady. Yo, she be hating, son. First Lady, running only First Lady right here. You hear it first, and no imitation, all right?
Oh, Lord.
And they are?
Please.
And they are?
And they are the Greedy family.
Okay.
We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another what? Another what? Mukbang.
Bye.